Baking soda, a common household item, offers a multitude of benefits for hair, skin, and overall body care. This versatile ingredient is not only affordable and easily accessible, but it also serves as an effective natural remedy for various beauty and health concerns. From exfoliating dead skin cells to balancing scalp pH, baking soda can enhance your beauty routine significantly. Additionally, it can help alleviate body odor and even whiten teeth, making it a valuable addition to your self-care arsenal. By incorporating baking soda into your regimen, you can unlock its potential to improve your health and beauty, all while utilizing a simple ingredient found in your kitchen. Baking soda is renowned for its antibacterial properties, making it an effective ally in the fight against acne and pimples. It helps neutralize the bacteria that contribute to breakouts, promoting clearer skin. To use baking soda for treating acne, simply create a paste by mixing it with water and applying it directly to the affected areas. Leave it on for about 10 to 15 minutes before rinsing off with warm water. However, it's crucial to use this remedy in moderation, as excessive application can lead to skin irritation or dryness. By incorporating baking soda thoughtfully, you can harness its benefits while maintaining healthy skin. Baking soda is an effective natural teeth whitener due to its mildly abrasive nature, which helps remove surface stains caused by food and beverages. To safely use baking soda for whitening, mix a small amount with your regular toothpaste to create a paste. Apply this mixture to your toothbrush and gently brush your teeth for about 2 minutes, ensuring you cover all surfaces. However, it's essential to exercise caution and avoid excessive use, as overuse can wear down tooth enamel and lead to sensitivity. By incorporating baking soda into your dental care routine judiciously, you can achieve a brighter smile while protecting your teeth. Baking soda's alkaline properties make it an excellent remedy for soothing sunburn and blisters, as it helps neutralize skin irritation and alleviate pain. To find relief, you can create a simple soaking solution by dissolving half a cup of baking soda in a cool bath. Soak in this mixture for about 15 to 20 minutes to help calm the affected areas and reduce discomfort. Additionally, keeping baking soda handy during the summer months can be beneficial, as it provides a quick and effective solution for unexpected sunburns or skin irritations. With baking soda in your summer toolkit, you can enjoy the sun while protecting your skin. Baking soda can significantly enhance skin tone and texture due to its natural exfoliating effects, which help remove dead skin cells and promote a brighter complexion. To create a simple baking soda paste, mix 2 tablespoons of baking soda with 1 tablespoon of water until it forms a smooth consistency. Gently massage this paste onto your skin in circular motions for about 1 to 2 minutes, then rinse with warm water. This treatment can help reveal fresher, more radiant skin. However, it's essential to follow up with a good moisturizer afterward to keep your skin hydrated and prevent dryness, ensuring a healthy glow. Baking soda effectively neutralizes body odor by absorbing sweat and eliminating odor-causing bacteria. Its alkaline nature helps balance the skin's pH, creating an environment less conducive to bacterial growth. To create a simple natural deodorant, mix 3 tablespoons of baking soda with 2 tablespoons of coconut oil and a few drops of your favorite essential oil for fragrance. Apply this mixture to your underarms for a refreshing and odor-fighting solution. For the best results, make sure to apply it regularly, especially after showering, to maintain freshness throughout the day. With baking soda, you can enjoy a natural and effective way to combat body odor. Baking soda can be an effective remedy for eliminating dandruff due to its cleansing properties that help remove excess oil and dead skin flakes from the scalp. To use baking soda for dandruff, start by wetting your hair thoroughly. Then, take a handful of baking soda and gently massage it into your scalp, focusing on areas prone to flaking. Leave it on for about 5 to 10 minutes before rinsing thoroughly with water. However, it's important to limit this treatment to once a week to prevent dryness and irritation. By incorporating baking soda into your hair care routine, you can achieve a healthier, flake-free scalp. Baking soda is an excellent solution for addressing oily and smelly hair, as it effectively reduces oiliness and absorbs unpleasant odors. Its natural absorbent properties help to cleanse the scalp and hair, leaving them feeling fresh and revitalized. To create a baking soda hair treatment, mix 1 tablespoon of baking soda with 1 cup of water to form a smooth paste. Apply this mixture to your scalp and hair, massaging gently for a few minutes before rinsing thoroughly. For optimal results, consider using this treatment periodically, such as once every 2 weeks, to maintain clean, oil-free, and odor-free hair. In summary, baking soda offers a wide range of benefits for hair, skin, and body care. It can effectively combat acne, whiten teeth, soothe sunburn, enhance skin tone, neutralize body odor, eliminate dandruff, and address oily hair issues. With its natural properties, baking soda serves as a versatile and affordable solution for various beauty and health concerns. We encourage you to try these methods and share your experiences in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe, like, and share it with others who might benefit from these tips. Together, we can explore more ways to enhance our beauty and well-being.